guys. Oh my god.
It's raining hard and it's like midnight right now.
Is it?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's 11:46, guys. Here, I'm going in the dry space. Holy crap.
Guys,
Guys.
we're watching a movie, lightning lit up the whole room. Me and Sarah thought
Yeah.
it was just the movie, but no, then I heard thunder.
Okay, guys, let's try to watch out for lightning and thunder.
I didn't bring a button.
Oh! Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Oh my god!
Jeez.
Bro, guys, I think you just saw a flash on my iPhone, but that was lightning. Don't close the door all the way. Dude, it's not gonna lock us in. It's not. Oh my god! Guys, hear that? New gen views. Bro, going where you are. Oh, getting wet, getting wet, getting wet.
God.
Here.
We're fighting, we just stop. Just freaking lightning bolt.
This is what we wanted all day.
No, right?
This is scaring us. This is what we wanted all day. I told you the clouds are so dark.
I know, but I thought
But-
we were heading east.
Nope, apparently not.
Came back.
Wait,
Probably.
probably.
Oh, crap, I deleted that storm app because I'm like, I bet you were getting hit.
What if we're getting hit by the yellow?
Probably the green.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh my god!
Did you see the bolt?
Yes! Holy crap! Oh my god, guys! This is not a joke!
I must have. Did we see the last lightning bolt?
Mom, we just saw a lightning bolt. Bro! Here, this is what it's like in Colorado, guys. This is exactly what it's like. It's not gonna rain. Oh, really? It's raining right now. Here, I know probably
Colorado has the weirdest weather patterns.
yeah, like it has snow and then it goes to rain.
Like the place where it snows in June.
Actually, it did snow in June. Like last year, kind of. What was that?
Lightning. Why are there like no cars? Alright,
Pro-
it's midnight.
No, they're usually out in midnight. There's like a bunch. They're
Get
probably going home right now.
No.
Oh my god, I recorded that! I don't care whatever's on this. I just want to film. Dude, come over here. Like, come over to this side. It's still dry. I just don't want to take my hands off my phone. Ah, it just rashed me with rain. Guys, we wanted it. I recorded that.
Huh?
Mm.
What?
Oh my god! Guys.
Is that like right there?
Yeah, so it's probably gonna be really loud. Guys, that was lightning. Okay, it's really far from here though.
13.
That wasn't that loud.
Are you sure?
Oh my god.
really that close?
I think it was like 2 miles. I counted and it was at 2. Bye guys. Like and subscribe.